Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, active SIM, and the Google Voice app installed. Tap the app and sign in with your Google credentials. If prompted, verify by SMS or two-step prompt. Once signed in, choose whether to pick a new number or port an existing number. Pick new for speed, port if you need continuity. Make sure location permissions are allowed so the app can check carrier rules. This avoids delays later. Now you pick and configure the number. Search by city or area code, preview available options, then claim your preferred number. After selection, link your mobile phone, enter your carrier number and confirm via code. This enables call forwarding and SMS. Once linked, configure voicemail greeting and call screening so you control unknown callers. Remember, linking lets Google Voice ring both apps and your carrier. Make sure do not disable carrier call settings unless you want app-only calls. Finish by tuning app settings. Choose whether calls ring on the app, your phone, or both. Set SMS preferences and customize voicemail. Then test, call your Google Voice number from another line and send an SMS. Confirm caller ID and message delivery. If calls fail, make sure permissions, cellular data, and Wi-Fi are active. Relink your carrier number if forwarding fails. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app and phone after changing forwarding settings. This often resolves lingering sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.